Panchakarma, which we call it as a Rakta Mokshan. This Rakta Mokshan mentioned by Acharya Sushrut in his Sushrut Samhita, because Acharya Sushrut consider blood as equally important like Vata, Pitta and Kapha. Keeping this healthy blood flow in your body is the key to health. That's what Acharya Sushrut understood thousands of years back while mentioning this therapy. Acharya Charak also agreed to this opinion, and he has also mentioned about this leech therapy or the Rakta Mokshan in his Charak Samhita while mentioning the treatment for Vata Rakta disorder. Friends, this is about the history of this Rakta Mokshan or leech therapy which has been mentioned in Ayurveda. There is also acceptance in Western world for this leech therapy. Leech is Anglo-Saxon word derived from the word lois, which means to heal. The first book on leech therapy is Leechdom. So you can search on Wikipedia, you will get all those information. Now let me share some anatomy and physiology of this leeches which has been used as a therapeutic point of view. Which is called as medicinal leeches. There are two types of leeches which are present, which one is poisonous, the other one is non-poisonous. So obviously non-poisonous leeches has been used for medical leech treatment, or we can call it as MLT. Now friends, leeches have 32 brains. Can you imagine how leech works? Leeches have 125 teeth and they have 60 plus protein in their saliva. In saliva, 1884 John Berry has discovered one important chemical which is secreting out, which is called as hirudin. This hirudin is doing the work, magical work of preventing blood from the clotting. And that's why this therapy also been called as hirudinotherapy. And this helps many times for the people who are suffering from heart disease or blood clots in the blood vessel, because this dilates blood vessel for the longer time and it makes blood flow flawlessly in the body. This is actually considered as a boon in surgical treatment as well. Many surgeons use this while doing major surgery because they want the blood should not get clotted, and that's why hirudin is very important part of this leeches. Now let's understand how to apply this leech on the body or where to apply. So this leech is applied on the skin and near the problem you are having, whatever organ your organ is the affected, like if you are suffering from joint pain or knee pain, so you can apply near knees. If you are having headache, you can apply on your heads, or if you have some kind of discoloration, skin discoloration, so wherever it is you can apply at that place. If somebody having varicose veins or varicocele in male, which is actually reason sometimes for the infertility, so leeches can apply there also, because leeches drink impure blood. They don't like pure blood. So this is very good part of leech therapy, because you are not losing your pure blood and you are definitely getting detoxified with this impure blood, and you will find yourself very light and healthy post treatment. I have tried this treatment on me and I have also done live session. Many students ask me a lot of questions, so I have done a lot of research on it and sharing all the information in this video. Before you apply leeches on this part, you have to first activate those leeches for putting them in the water, in which you can just add some pinch of turmeric so that they get activated and hungry, and when they bite you, they will start sucking more impure blood. One more thing I want to mention here, leeches do not bite you with pain, because it is painless. They secrete even anesthesia, so that region become numb, you will not feel any pain. So this is very easy and cozy treatment, I can say. You don't need to worry at all, even if you find little bit scary initially, but I can tell you confidently now, after personal experience, that they are very cute and safe for applying it on your skin. Once they get filled up, or they automatically get detached once they they drop off from that particular part. If they don't, then you can just sprinkle some turmeric on the mouth and they immediately get off from the attached part. After that, there will be bleeding, will start oozing from that place. So you need to do a proper dressing and prevent that prevent blood loss, and observe patient for some time to ensure that there should not be excessive blood loss. After that, once you finish the procedure, it almost takes 30 to 45 minutes to complete it. Then you can go home and use some antibiotics or some kind of dressing which can just take care of your wound healing, and it heals within a couple of days. It doesn't even take much time, but if you are diabetic, it may take time. So ensure you are taking care of wound healing properly even post session. Who are the people can get this treatment as a part of their healing part? So people who are suffering from baldness, alopecia, or people who are suffering from psoriasis, diabetes, or diabetic feet, or amputation, there is a need of amputation, then before you go directly to the amputation, you can try this leech therapy. It may save your that part to get amputated. You can also use for the people who are suffering from chronic headache or migraine kind of pain. You can also use in heart disease, hypertension, varicose veins, like I have already explained about this, eczema, skin acne, which are not cured by the regular treatment. So this therapy is very useful, and last but not least, it improves your immunity because it makes your blood purified and it takes out all that impure blood from your circulation.